Welcome all. I'm recording this video to show how to create posts on Webtalk. After logging in, this is my home page, or after you log in, you can just click on Webtalk here at the top left hand corner. So it opens up your home page or your wall here in Webtalk. So you can just click if you're using posts and want to add photos to your post, you can click on photos here. Select any photograph that I've already created them, so this is already set. So these are my 5 pictures that I'll be posting for today. So I just choose one of them, come down to the share with section here, allow public comments, and then I add my hashtags from different groups that I'm already in by just pasting them here. I've just copied it from a notepad. Okay, and then I write some description about what this picture is about. So I've just give it one small title, which is Speak Kind Words. Okay, so this is one of the quotes by Mother Teresa, which is already here, and I just go ahead and post. Now it's uploading. After I post, if you see the hashtags are showing on different lines, or there is this separate line showing up in between them. So what I do is I go click here on the 3 dots, click on edit post, and just click on update post. I've not added or done anything, but then those extra lines in between those tags have just disappeared. So this is my posting for 19th of January 2021. Okay, after I post, these are actually showing as hyperlinks. That's why you see them as in blue color. Now if I want to add another hashtag here from a different group, I just go click on these 3 dots, click on edit post, come here to the end, press shift enter, and then pick up my other hashtag from the other group. Okay, and paste it here. Now when I paste it here, you will notice that this has actually come as with an extra space which has actually gone off to the next line. So you just delete that extra space. Okay, and this has also come here. So I don't need that because I've copied it from Excel. So just go ahead and delete that and update the post. Now if you notice, this is not turned into blue color. So what do I have to do? I just go click again on edit post and update post. And when this gets uploaded, it gets converted to a hyperlink. So if this does not get converted to a hyperlink, if somebody tries to search with that hashtag, there will be no post that will show up when you search with that. Thank you.